Hey there, my love bugs. Welcome to our delicious journey into the world of vegan desserts. Are you ready to have your taste buds tantalized? Because we're about to dive into a world of sweetness that's going to make you say, "Oh, honey, that's good." Today, we're exploring 5 heavenly vegan treats that will satisfy your sweet tooth without any animal products. That's right, we're talking plant-based goodness that's so delicious you won't even miss the dairy. Get ready to open your hearts and your minds to a whole new world of dessert possibilities. We're gonna laugh, we're gonna learn, and we're gonna leave with our hearts and our bellies full. So buckle up, buttercups, and get ready for a sweet ride. Now, you all know I love me some avocado. It's that creamy, dreamy fruit that just makes everything better. And let me tell you, avocado in a dessert is like a warm hug on a cold day. It's that unexpected twist that makes you go, wow, why didn't I think of this before? It's unexpected, it's comforting, and it's oh so good. Imagine biting into a dessert that's both rich and light, creamy and refreshing. This ain't your mama's chocolate mousse, honey. We're taking it up a notch with a modern twist. We're using creamy, ripe avocados to create a dessert that's rich, decadent, and oh so chocolatey. The avocado adds a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. And the best part? It's completely plant-based and good for you. No guilt, just pure indulgence. Now, I know what you're thinking. Avocado and chocolate, Tab, are you sure about this? It sounds a bit out there, right? And let me tell you, baby, trust me on this one. The combination is magical and you'll be a believer after just one bite. The avocado adds a richness and creaminess that you just can't get from dairy. It's like nature's perfect ingredient for desserts. It's like a little secret ingredient that takes this mousse to the next level. A hidden gem that makes all the difference. Plus, avocados are full of healthy fats and nutrients, so you can indulge in this guilt-free. It's a dessert that loves you back. It's a win-win, my friends. Delicious and nutritious. What more could you ask for? So grab your avocados, put on your aprons, and let's get to whipping up some magic. This is going to be a culinary adventure you won't forget. We're going to start by blending together some silken tofu, melted dark chocolate, ripe avocados, a touch of maple syrup for sweetness, and a pinch of salt to bring out all those beautiful flavors. Each ingredient plays its part in creating a symphony of taste. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy like a dream. You want it to be velvety and luscious, the kind of texture that makes you close your eyes and savor every spoonful. Then, we're going to pour that luscious mixture into pretty little glasses and let it chill in the refrigerator for a few hours. This step is crucial for the mousse to set perfectly. This will give the mousse time to set and for the flavors to really meld together. Patience is key here, but it's so worth the wait. Once it's chilled, top it off with some fresh berries, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or even a dollop of vegan whipped cream if you're feeling fancy. These toppings add that extra touch of elegance and flavor. And there you have it, a decadent, delicious and healthy dessert that will have everyone asking for seconds. It's a showstopper, a crowd pleaser, and most importantly, a treat that you can feel good about eating. Next up, we're diving into a classic summer treat with a vegan twist coconut milk ice cream. Now, this ain't your average ice cream, honey. We're using creamy, dreamy coconut milk to create a scoop of pure bliss that will melt in your mouth. It's cool, it's refreshing, and it's bursting with tropical flavor. The beauty of coconut milk is that it's naturally sweet and creamy, so you don't need to add a ton of sugar to get that perfect ice cream consistency. Just a touch of maple syrup or agave nectar will do the trick. And the flavor, oh honey, the flavor. It's like taking a bite out of a tropical paradise. The coconut flavor is subtle yet present, and it pairs perfectly with a variety of toppings. You can keep it simple with some fresh fruit like juicy mango chunks or sweet pineapple slices. Or you can get creative and drizzle it with melted chocolate, sprinkle it with toasted coconut flakes, or even add a swirl of peanut butter for a salty sweet delight. The possibilities are endless, my friends. So grab your ice cream maker, stock up on coconut milk, and let's get churning up some frozen goodness. Now, I know what you're thinking. Vegan cheesecake, how can that even be possible? But Tab, cheesecake is all about the cream cheese. How can you make it without the star ingredient? And let me tell you, honey, don't you worry your pretty little head. We've got this covered. We're going to make a cheesecake so rich, so creamy, so decadent, you won't even miss the dairy. Trust me on this one. The secret to our vegan cheesecake lies in the magical combination of cashews, coconut cream, and a touch of lemon juice. That's right, cashews. These little wonders are the key. These little nuts transform into the most creamy, dreamy base for our cheesecake, and you'd never even know they were there. It's like magic. We're going to soak those cashews overnight to soften them up, making them perfect for blending, then blend them with that luscious coconut cream, which adds a rich, velvety texture. A squeeze of lemon juice for tanginess to give it that classic cheesecake flavor, and a touch of maple syrup for sweetness. This balances everything out perfectly. Blend it all up until it's smooth and silky, like a dream come true. You won't believe how creamy it gets. While that's blending, we're going to make our crust using crushed graham crackers, or your favorite vegan cookie, melted coconut oil, and a pinch of salt. The salt enhances all the flavors, making the crust irresistible. Press that mixture into a springform pan and bake it until it's golden brown and smelling oh so good. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Once the crust is cool, and I mean completely cool, pour in that heavenly cheesecake filling, spreading it out evenly, and pop it in the fridge to set for a few hours. Patience is key here. This is the hardest part, y'all, waiting for that cheesecake to chill. But trust me, it's worth every minute. But trust me, it's worth the wait. When it's finally ready, you'll be so excited. Top it off with your favorite berries, adding a burst of freshness and color, a drizzle of melted chocolate for that extra touch of indulgence, or even a dollop of vegan whipped cream. The options are endless. And there you have it, a vegan cheesecake that's so good, so delicious, it'll make you want to slap somebody. But please don't slap anybody, honey. Just enjoy the cheesecake. So go ahead, dig in and savor every bite of this rich, decadent, and dairy-free delight. Sometimes you just need a little something light and refreshing to cleanse the palate, you know what I'm saying? And that's where our mango sorbet comes in, honey. This sorbet is like a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day. It's bright, it's cheerful, and it's bursting with tropical flavor. And the best part, it's so easy to make, you won't believe it. All you need are some ripe mangoes, a little bit of sugar, and a squeeze of lime juice. That's it. We're going to start by peeling and chopping up those juicy mangoes. Then we're going to blend them up with the sugar and lime juice until it's smooth and creamy. Pour that mixture into your ice cream maker and let it do its thing. While the sorbet is churning, you can sit back, relax, and dream of tropical beaches and swaying palm trees. Or you can use this time to clean up the kitchen because, honey, ain't nobody got time for a messy kitchen. Once the sorbet is ready, scoop it into bowls and get ready to be transported to a tropical paradise. The mango flavor is so bright and intense, it's like taking a bite out of sunshine. And the lime juice adds a touch of tanginess that balances out the sweetness perfectly. This sorbet is so refreshing, so delicious, and so easy to make, it's sure to become a new summertime favorite. So grab some mangoes, put on your aprons, and let's get our sorbet on. Now for our final sweet treat, we're taking a trip to Italy with a vegan twist on a classic dessert tiramisu. That's right, honey, we're about to indulge in layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers, creamy cashew mascarpone, and a dusting of cocoa powder. It's a match made in dessert heaven. Now, I know what you're thinking, vegan tiramisu. But Tab, what about the eggs and the mascarpone cheese? Don't you worry your pretty little head, because we've got you covered. We're going to use some clever plant-based substitutes to recreate all the flavors and textures of traditional tiramisu. For our cashew mascarpone, we're going to soak those cashews overnight to soften them up, then blend them with coconut cream, a touch of maple syrup for sweetness, and a squeeze of lemon juice for tanginess. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy, like a dream come true. While that's chilling, we're going to brew up some strong coffee and let it cool. Once it's cool, we're going to dip our ladyfingers, or your favorite vegan cookies, in the coffee for a few seconds each, just to soften them up. Now it's time to assemble our masterpiece. In a dish, we're going to layer those coffee-soaked ladyfingers with our creamy cashew mascarpone, repeating the layers until we reach the top. Dust the top with cocoa powder and pop it in the fridge to chill for a few hours. This is the hardest part, you're waiting for that tiramisu to set. But trust me, it's worth the wait. When it's finally ready, grab a spoon and get ready to experience a taste of Italy, plant-based style. This vegan tiramisu is not just a dessert, it's a celebration of flavors and creativity. Share it with friends and family and watch their faces light up with delight. Whether you're vegan or not, this tiramisu is sure to impress and satisfy your sweet tooth. So go ahead, give it a try and bring a little bit of Italy into your home, the plant-based way. Well, my love bugs, there you have it. 5 heavenly vegan desserts that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth and leave you feeling good from the inside out. Remember, just because it's vegan doesn't mean it's not delicious. We can enjoy all the sweetness in the world without harming any animals. Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure. I hope you learned a thing or two about the wonderful world of vegan desserts. And remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is love. So go out there, get creative in the kitchen, and whip up some plant-based magic. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes. And be sure to let me know in the comments which one of these desserts you're going to try first. See you next time.